In this video I'm going to tell you more about text reminders or SMS reminders that you can send from your website. The text reminders function can be found under the Communicate with Customers section. If we click on it, we'll see that we have two options. We can either add a new reminder or edit and delete a new reminder or a reminder. I'm going to go through each of these individually. Number one, what you are going to do is you are going to create or give your reminder a name. Now this is obviously if you want to remind your clients of something, of an event that's coming up, or something that you want to make sure that they remember. You are going to start by giving it a name. I'm just going to give it reminder name. What you are going to do is you are going to add the cell number of the person that you want to send the number to. Now what we need to do here is we need to enter it in the international format, so we need to put the 27 in front of it and then leave the 0 out. Now what this will do, you can either send it to people that are not in your SMS list or your mailing list, or as you type, if you have existing members with that number in the list, you will see it pop up, and you can actually just click on it to complete the number. Once you've added the number, obviously you need to add the actual reminder message. So I'm just going to say, please remember. Similar to some of the previous functions, when sending text messages, you will see how many characters you've got left. You only have 160. Once you've added the number and the message that you want to send, if you click on add more, it will allow you to add a second and a third and a fourth, as many messages as you want. Obviously, as you can see there, the reminder message automatically copies to the next person. All you need to do is to enter the cell number. You can send the same message to multiple numbers by placing a comma between the cell phones. So if you want to, instead of adding one number at a time underneath each other, you can actually just add a comma in the section, then add another number, and then that specific message will be sent to all the numbers that you have in that actual number field. Again, please note that each of these messages will be charged at 25 cents. Then obviously we have a frequency. This being a reminder message, you want it to be sent at a specific time, and you probably want people to be reminded of that on specific days of the week, etc., etc. So either you can send it, or you can send it as a once-off. It will basically use the start date and time that you specify down here, and it will only be sent once. If you want to send it on specific days, then basically you choose the day. Now you can either choose a specific day like Monday, or you can choose to actually send it on different days, or if you want it to be sent on every single day of the week, you can actually do that as well. What you need to do is you need to decide on a start date, you need to decide on an end date, and you need to decide on a time of the day that you want to send the reminder on. All you then need to do is you need to click on add a new reminder. Once you've added the reminder, you will get a confirmation that your reminder has been set up. If you then go to the edit or delete a reminder, you will see all the reminders that you've set up. It will show you the date that you added it, obviously the name that you created, when it is scheduled to send, and you can see the amount of times that it was sent. You can obviously delete this, or you can go to edit the item, and that will actually allow you to edit the reminder. Again, just be very careful specifically with the reminders. The reminder will be sent depending on how you set up multiple times. Each time the reminder is sent, depending on how many people it's sent to, you will be charged 25 cents per SMS. So if you have 100 or 1,000 people that you're sending this to, just keep the cost in mind, because if you send it 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 times, then the cost can obviously add up very quickly.